Hi, I'm so glad you're in the kitchen with Mom. On today's menu, we are going to learn another foundation, another basic of Mom Cooking School, how to make bacon. Over here on my cutting board, I've already taken the bacon out of its package and I've cut it in half. That is something that my Gigi taught me to do, and I think the bacon is better because of it. I've got a skillet. It's not on yet. I'm going to take the bacon and I'm going to lay it in the pan evenly. I've got my bacon all spread out in my pan. I just turned it to medium-low heat. You can see that cutting it in half actually makes the bacon fit a little bit better because we don't really want to overlap those pieces. We're going to keep an eye on it. We're going to come back in maybe about 3 or 4 minutes. It's been a few minutes. I've come back to check on the bacon. I'm turning it down just a little bit. This piece, he's about ready to flip. He was a little thinner, so he's going to cook a little bit faster. Oh, and he brought his friend with him. Some of my other pieces were overlapping a little bit when I put them in the pan, so when I flip them, they are probably going to do what that one did and kind of flip as a group. Just like this. That's okay. I use a fork to flip. If you don't like your hand that close to the pan, you can use a pair of tongs too. Let's flip these. Bacon is all flipped. We're going to let this cook for another few minutes. I have a plate over here that has some paper towels on top of the plate. When the bacon is done, I'm going to remove it from the pan and put it on my paper towel lined plate. It's been a few minutes. This bacon is looking nice and golden brown. So I'm going to take it off of the heat now. Word of warning, bacon grease can get splattery, so be careful. I find it easiest to pick up the plate and bring the plate to the pan. Just take it out. Just going to put it on the plate there. See, it all came out together. That's what happens when you put the pieces in the pan and they're all touching in the beginning. So there we go. So I've just pulled this bacon off of the pan. I'm going to set it aside to cool. You can see there's some bacon grease in the pan, so I'm going to pour this bacon grease out. Turn the heat down to low, and I have a bowl over here. Just going to pour that out. If I get that bacon grease out of the pan, when I go to put the next batch in, there will be less splattering, which is good. My heat is still down over low, so now I'm just going to lay these slices in. Just put all the bacon in the pan. I am going to turn the heat up just a little bit. It's about medium-low right now, and we're going to do the same thing again. Keep an eye on it. See you in a couple minutes. Been a few more minutes. Looks like it's ready to turn. Bacon is all flipped. We're going to let it cook for another few more minutes, and then we'll remove it and put it onto that paper towel lined plate, and we'll repeat the process until the bacon is all cooked. It's been a few minutes. I think the bacon looks nice and golden brown. Just going to push the others aside from my plate, and we'll remove these. Pulled the bacon off. We'll repeat that process of removing the pan from heat, putting the bacon grease in the bowl, putting the new bacon in, and cooking it again. All right, we finished. We made bacon. This bacon grease that you've been pouring into this bowl over here, you can leave that sitting on the counter. It will solidify. Scoop some of it off, put it in a container, store it in the refrigerator. The next time you're going to make scrambled eggs, instead of putting a little bit of butter in your skillet, use the bacon grease instead. Enjoy.